Day form 4 kairitu gagioka from transfer yoka form 3. Na niko ndacokire ngihikia.
Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka o ringi kairitu ka Eddie na Samido ni gakorwo gagika iundu ciatiga andu makenete orinde kuratuika Karen Nyamwara ngeragia gwiconyia o ringi muturire-ini wa Samido. Eddie na Samido are celebrating anniversary yao ya gukorwo makiri hamwe miaka ya kinya 18 and their daughter Charlene went ahead gukorwo agiposti bica ino yao ya TBT ya Samido na Eddie iria yatiga andu aingi macanjamukite muno. Eddie na Samido macemanirie in high school miaka 15 mithuru na sofa mari na ciana ithatu. Their firstborn daughter being Charlene who is 14 years na ari grade 9 kana junior secondary. Koguo Charlene akorwo akiumbura ati her mom and dad have known each other for 18 years na ni kaundu andu aingi matakui na gatiga andu macanjamukite muno. Fans were happy to see their TBT photo na makorwo magikenio muno ni uria kairitu kao Charlene gakorwo gagi caption bica iyo gakorwo gagi post on her TikTok page kuria gagwikoretwo gakiuga ati karendithiria aciari ake miaka igiteo 18 eguka 18 years and more to come. Eddie and her children na Samido relocated to USA kuria makoretwo magiikara since May ya mwaka wa 2023, but we have seen Samido regularly visit her family. Na latest visit was him na Eddie makere in their daughter's graduation from grade 8 to grade 9 ndiye agikoragwo akiuma grade 8 to grade 9. Na these are some of the videos twagikorwo tukimatha cia Samido akiririkana muturire wake kana uria macamanirie na Eddie as they celebrate their 18th year together. Tugathi na mbere na kumendithiria nothing but the very best in life na kihiko kiega kina gikeno na kina tu jokes tuingi. Tucamanie na next one.
First date yakwa ri ndacemanirie na day form 4 kairitu gagioka from transfer yoka form 3. Na niko ndacokire ngihikia.